Hey guys, it's me, it's Lacey Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, today we're going to be doing this amazing eye look with the Claudette palette from NARS. This is brand new NARS right here. This is stunning, like absolutely stunning. So beautiful, love it. So if you guys want to see how I created this amazing look using this NARS palette, keep watching. Don't forget guys, comment down below, let me know what you want to see next, what you would like me to review. I love hearing from you guys and I always love to write back. Alright guys, let's get into it. Okay, let's unbox this palette right here. This is the NARS Claudette palette, and I mean the packaging looks like it's going to be phenomenal, so I'm hoping that it is. Don't need that. Yes, it is. Stunning. Don't need this. Okay, so this is it right here. This is the NARS Claudette palette. So pretty. Oh wow. Okay. This is the colors. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to do this eye look. Can you guys check that out? That is going to be amazing. Okay, let's do it. Let's go in. Let's do this look. I've already gone in and I've applied my base makeup and my bronzer, my contour, and my brows. We're good to go. So the first brush I'm going to use is this number 10 from BH Cosmetics. This one right here. So the first color I'm going to go in with is this beautiful champagne color right here. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. That is a stunning champagne color. That's so beautiful. Wow. Hopefully you guys can see that on camera. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe blending brush right here, and this is a Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH36 blending brush. I'm just gonna blend that out in my crease. I'm now gonna go in with this MAC 233 brush right here, which is just a little packer brush. And for that, I'm actually going to take this, I'm trying to like decide if I want this one or if I want this one. But I think this one's a little bit more cool toned. I'm going to go in with the center Merlot shade right here. There's a little bit of fallout in the pan, but that's to be expected. It's so pigmented. You guys, check that out. That's good. Tap that off. I'm just going to go in and apply this to the center outer area of my lid. That is pigmented. Holy smokes, that's stunning. Okay, so that's where I'm applying the color right there. I'm going to go in with my blending brush, the same one we just used by Morphe. I'm just going to go in, soften those edges. I'm going to go in with the same MAC 233 brush. I'm going to pick up more of that pigment, so just the exact same beautiful Merlot color. And I'm just going to deepen that up. Wow, I'm excited for this. This is going to be so good. I'm going to leave that color right where it is for now. I'm going to go back in. I'm going to go back into our transition shade, but this time I'm picking up a very fluffy brush. And I'm picking up this number 6 from BH Cosmetics, which is just a fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to take this beautiful champagne transition color that we used, pick that up on my fluffy blending brush, tap that off. And I'm just going to soften any edges right here. Okay, I'm going to go into this gold right here with my ring finger, and I'm going to pick up some of this amazing gold. That is so pretty. Wow. I'm going to go in with my ring finger to the inner part of my eye, all the way into the inner corner. I'm going to place down that gold. Okay, that gold is everything. Like, that is so pretty. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more. Wow, I'm like blown away. Like that's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna pick up that same BH Cosmetics number 6 blending brush that we were using. I'm just going to just buff that out. I want to see what this gold goes on like wet, so I'm actually just going to spritz my finger. I will use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Spritz my finger. I'm going to tap into this gold right here. And then I'm going to pack that same spot on the inner corner of my lid. That is so pretty. Like honestly, I was just testing it out, but that is so pretty. I want to just deepen up that crease the slightest bit, so I'm going to take a really fluffy brush. This is a Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH38, and I'm going to tap into this brick red color just a tiny bit. The tiniest bit. I'm actually going to tap off my brush. And I'm just going to go into that transition area right in my outer crease. Just buff that brick color in there. There we go. I love that. That is so pretty. I'm actually going to go into this pencil brush right here, and this is the number 10 from BH Cosmetics. I am going to take some of that gold, just a little bit on the tip of my pencil brush, tap it off. I'm going to go into my inner corner right here. And I'm just going to drag it to my lower lash line. That is absolutely stunning. Okay, I'm gonna go in, repeat those exact same steps on the other eye, and I will be right back. Wow. Okay, this is phenomenal, like phenomenal. Okay, so I've got this brand new eyeliner from NARS right here. This is the High Pigment Longwear Eyeliner, and the color is Via Veneto. First, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna apply this to my upper lash line. I'm gonna smudge it out, and then I'm going to go in and apply it to my waterline. Okay, first impressions, it is pigmented, it's very black, I kind of live for it, loving it. I'm gonna go in with number 11 from BH Cosmetics. It's just a itty bitty angled liner brush. I went in and I applied this NARS eyeliner to my one eye. The second I started to apply it to my upper lash line, and I grabbed my brush and I started to wing it out, and that was going amazingly well. I could tell that my eye was starting to not so much burn, but have like that sensation where it was kind of like tingly, and then my eye started to water. I'm sensitive to this product, so I'm not going to go in and finish the look on the other eye. I'll grab another eyeliner, but just letting you guys know, if you have really sensitive eyes like I do, this one isn't for me, the NARS one, unfortunately, which is sad. Okay guys, this Claudette palette from NARS, this guy right here, this is phenomenal. I believe that these colors are stunning. Like, check this out, like it's amazing. Okay, this is a keeper for sure. This is gonna go right on the top. I love this palette. This is definitely something I'm gonna grab a lot for the season. This is beautiful. Wow. Okay guys, if you love this look, remember to hit that notification bell, smash that like button, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss.